speed of sound. You watch the swimmers step onto their starting blocks. Then, beep, they take off. You hear the splash as they dive in. The crowd cheers. Sound can quickly set things into motion. What is sound? Sounds are vibrations that touch our ears so we can hear. Sounds travel in waves called sound waves. Sound waves form when something vibrates. They are made up of energy. Sound needs a medium to travel through. Mediums can be air, water, or solid objects such as doors or walls. Sound travels fastest through solids and slowest through gases. Hearing. We hear things when sound waves reach our ears. Inside each ear is a thin layer of skin called an eardrum. It vibrates when a sound wave touches it. Our ears send signals to our brains so we can understand what we hear. Volume and pitch. A sound wave's amplitude makes a sound loud or soft. This is volume. Sound waves with big amplitudes carry more energy. This makes sounds louder because they push harder on our eardrums. Small amplitudes make quieter sounds. Sounds have different frequencies based on the speed of vibration. The frequency makes a sound's pitch. Higher frequencies make high-pitched sounds. Lower frequencies make low-pitched sounds. Some pitches are too high or low for the human ear to hear. Echoes and echolocation. Sometimes sound waves hit something and bounce back. This reflection of sound is an echo. Sound bounces off of hard, smooth surfaces best. Softer surfaces soak up the sound's energy so it cannot travel any further or bounce back. Some animals use sound to hunt and move around safely. This is called echolocation. Bats, dolphins, and some whales echolocate. Animals that echolocate throw out sound and listen. The echo tells them how far away food and other objects are. Musical sounds. Instruments are made of many materials, including wood, brass, and strings. These materials all vibrate differently when they are played. They create different sounds that work together to make music.